Hello developers, welcome to Guidance. So are you preparing for a Power BI interview at IBM? So get ready to tackle real world scenario based questions that can make or break your chances. So in this video, we will cover expert level questions and strategic answers to help you stand out and ace your interview. So all these questions asked in IBM recent interview, whether you are a beginner or an experienced Power BI developer, these insights will give you a competitive edge. So stay tuned, take notes and let's dive in. Interviews always start with your introduction, so give your best intro to the interviewer and be confident. So let's start with question 1. How can you create and configure a data gateway in Power BI? So the answer is download the Power BI gateway standard mode from the official Microsoft site, then run the installer and follow the setup process. Then sign in with your Power BI account, choose on-premises data gateway, then register the gateway with a unique name. Then go to Power BI service, then setting and manage gateway. Ensure the gateway appears and is online. Add data sources like SQL files etc and configure authentication. In Power BI Desktop, connect to the same data source and publish the report and ensure it uses the configured gateway dataset setting. So this is the process can create and configure data gateway in Power BI. Let's move to the question 2. Explain the process of creating a dynamic tooltip in Power BI. So the answer is to create a dynamic tooltip in Power BI, first add a new report page, then set page size to tooltip under format pane, then enable allow user tooltip in page information, then add visuals like cards, charts that display detailed insights based on hover data. Then use measures or calculated fields to ensure the tooltip updates based on then hover data point. After that, assign the tooltip to a visual. Select the visual, format pane and tooltip section. Then set type to report page and select the created tooltip page. So this is the process for creating a dynamic tooltip in Power BI. Question 3 is how does Power BI handle real-time data streaming and what are its use cases? So Power BI handles real-time data streaming using streaming datasets, push datasets and PubNub streaming. How it works? So data flows continuously via APIs, Azure Stream Analytics or IoT Hub. Then data is pushed into Power BI using REST API and stored for history or analysis. Then uses PubNub for low latency real-time updates. Its use cases is live dashboard, for example stock prices, IoT sensor data, social media monitoring. Operational monitoring, for example server uptime, logistics tracking, and sales and customer analytics, for example website traffic, call center performance. Next question, question 4. What are the different types of data relationship in Power BI? So there are 4 types of relationship in Power BI. First is one-to-one. Both side tables can have unique values. Second is one-to-many. In this relationship, one side of table have unique values, the other side of table have multiple values in it. Third is many-to-one. One side has multiple values, other side has unique. And many-to-many, both side tables have multiple values. Also, active and inactive, only one active relationship at a time, others are inactive. And single bidirectional filtering controls data flow direction between tables. Question 5 is describe the purpose and uses of Power BI Premium. The purpose of Power BI Premium. Power BI Premium is an enterprise grade offering that provides enhanced performance, larger storage, dedicated cloud capacity, and advanced AI features. It allows businesses to scale their BI solutions efficiently. And the uses of Power BI Premium is first is dedicated capacity ensures consistent performance without shared resources. It supports datasets up to 400 GB. It's create and share pixel perfect reports. AI and advanced analytics like features like Atto machine learning, cognitive services, and XML endpoints. On-premises reporting and unlimited read access. Free users can view reports without a pro license. Question 6 is how do you create a sunburst chart in Power BI? Okay, so the answer is Power BI does not have a built-in sunburst chart, but you can create one using custom visuals. Step is go to visualization pane, click get more visuals, search for sunburst chart and add it. Then ensure hierarchical data, for example category, then subcategory and product. Drag hierarchy levels into the visual fields, for example parent category, then child category, values, and then adjust colors, labels and interaction to enhance visualization. Question 7 is, what are the differences between a line chart and area chart in Power BI? Okay, so the answer is line chart display trends over time using a simple line, best for showing trends and comparisons, shows only data points connected by a line, clear for multiple series comparisons, for example stock prices, sales trends and web traffic. In area chart, similar to a line chart but with the area below the line field, best for emphasizing cumulative values and magnitude, fills the area below the line, highlighting value, can overlap making multiple series harder to distinguish. For example, market share, total revenue, and cumulative trends. Question 8 is, explain the concept of data analysis expression DAX in Power BI. So the answer is, data analysis expression DAX is a formal language in Power BI used for data modeling, calculations, and aggregations. It enables users to create custom measures, calculated columns, and tables for advanced analytics. So the key features of DAX is functions include some average, calculate, filter. Row and filter constructs like determines how calculations are applied based on the dataset. And calculated columns and measures used for dynamic calculations and custom aggregations. Time intelligence functions like total YTD, same period last year, for a date-based analysis. So the last question, question 9. What is the significance of the drill through feature in Power BI? The drill through allows users to navigate from a summary report to a detailed page by selecting a specific data point. It helps in deep analysis and better insights. So the key benefits is view in depth details of a selected category, for example from total sales to sales by region. Users can right click drill through to explore related data. Then passes filter context from the main page to the drill through page. Provides a structured way to analyze data without cluttering the main report. So I was also made a video on TCS, Accenture, Deloitte interview questions. So please check it out. Link is in description box. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.